Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create custom hotkeys and custom mods for your Age of Mythology game. So for example, what I mean by this is one of the mods I have is when I enter in a villager to a town center, instead of clicking on them to ungarrison, I can hit W and then garrison them like that. So to show you again, I garrison them in and then hit W. Another hotkey I have is to create a villager and then hit a button to automatically enable the auto queue. These are just some of the things I'm going to show you right in a second. How to do this yourself, how to make your own custom hotkeys. So here we go. So the first thing you want to do is open up a notepad document. This notepad document is going to be your user configuration file through which you can create your hotkeys. So here I have two hotkey files, which are the ones I've already created. These are my custom hotkeys, and I'm going to show you how to type in the correct codes in order to make sure that your game runs at maximum enjoyment to you. So the first code I have over here is the X resolution to 1920 and the Y resolution to 1080. So what this does, I'm just going to copy and paste this into the new one I'm creating. This is going to be like the sample. So if you're at home making this, make sure that your new notepad document is like this, and that you type out this exactly: xres equals 1920, yres equals 1080. What this does, this stretches your Age of Mythology to be HD. It makes a 1080p version of your Age of Mythology. This hotkey, the map X game edit mode flare, will make it so that whenever you hit the X button, you will have a flare at that point. So you hit X and then you click, and then it'll just be like having to go to your mini map down here and then click on your flare and then click it again. It just makes things faster. This code, map A uiAgeUpDialog age2 fake, this will make it so that whenever you hit the A key, you will go to the next age, provided you have enough resources. So let's say that you are in the classical age and you want to go heroic. You can select your town center and then hit A, and then you will get your box to choose your two gods that will pop up on the screen. Now, just so everyone knows, just so I'm clear on this, you can map this key to anything you want. You can make this R, you can make this Z, you can make this P, as long as it's in this format. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is how to make your hit points flash on damage and have no intro cinematics. So you take this code right here, paste it in over here, flash hit points bars on damage and no intro cinematics. This means the no intro cinematics means that when you run your game, your Age of Mythology won't have that animation at the start where the centaur running around. Those are your intro cinematics. Those basically, you have to click through those. It takes more time. This just skips those. The flash hit points bar on damage means that every time one of your units takes damage, the hit point bar will flash, and then you'll know how much health is left. That makes micro a lot easier. The final couple codes are this one, the map W game uiEjectGarrisonedUnits. This is the one I was showing you in the video clip about how you can eject units from towers or from TCs, whatever. Remember, this can be anything you want. Like you can make this E, you could make this P, you could even make this M or something. Okay? And then what I think is the most important is the creating of the auto queue, which is this code right here. I use Q for my auto queue hotkey just because I think it's kind of easy. It's right there. I can hit V and then Q. But anyway, what this does, instead of having to select each building and then click on your little green auto queue button, if you just hit Q, it will automatically start your auto queue. So now that you have this file, I'm just going to not save this one because I already have my full file right here. Once you have this file, save it to your desktop right here like I have, and then I'm going to walk you through how to put it in the right folder. So first thing you do, open up the Start menu, go to Documents, and then go to My Games. So I'm in the Documents directory. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, My Games. Go to Age of Mythology, go to Startup, and then here are your folders. So this document, this user file, go to Save As, and make sure that this is saved as user.con. And then make sure that this type is all files. And then when you save this, it'll give it the extension of con. So you have to save this file as user.con, and then you save the same file again as user.cfg. See, on my desktop I have a user.con and user.cfg. So once you have those saved on your desktop like I do, you can take them both, paste them into this folder, and I'm not going to overwrite in case I mess something up, but you would basically just take this and just put it right in your folder. Okay? So now, when you start up Age of Mythology, let's do this really quickly. There are no intro cinematics, your resolution is at 1080p, and when you start a game, your hotkeys work. So, if I want to make a villager and have it on auto queue, HVQ. And right there I have everything I need. If I want to put something in a building and then ungarrison it, hit W, you're good. And if I had enough resources, I could hit A and then go to the next age instead of clicking. Okay? So I hope that you guys learned a lot from this tutorial. If you have any questions, just post in the comment thread below. Thank you for watching.